Here is Snappy Slide exercise number 10. This pattern has 2 parts. Here's what the full pattern sounds like. Listen closely. Let's break this down by singing and sliding the first part together. Notice how this pattern is pretty similar to the pattern of our long tones. 1, 2, sing. 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 6, 1, 1. Let's sing and slide that again. As you sing, really look to have a snappy slide as you're going back and forth. 1, 2, sing. 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 6, 1, 1. Now let's play the first part together. 1, 2, 3. Now let's sing inside the next part. It's just our first 5 notes, down, then up. 1, 2, sing. 1, 3, 4, 6, 1, 6, 4, 3, 1. Now let's play the second part together. 1, 2, 3. Sing and slide the pattern until it feels comfortable. Then let's try playing the whole pattern together 2 times in a row. 1, 2, breathe. Use the YouTube slow down and speed up functions to practice that at your own pace. Your final speed will sound like this 2 times in a row. 1, 2, 3.